Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial with another new eye makeup, and today we will learn the blue smoky eye. You can use in your cocktail or in any shoot purpose of makeup. With the help of tipping, applying the black eyeshadow to the outer edges of the eye, using the flat applicator brush from the set belly. This is the name of the brush set. Now depositing the color to the crease line. Now taking the blending brush and blending it, so you can see. Taking the blue color of eyeshadow, depositing it to the inner corner of the eye. Now blur out the lines. Again taking the color and pop out. You can see. Now after lashes, you can see the final look. For under eye, using the gel pencil from the brand Charm Work Beauty in the color white, applying it to the lower lash line of the eye. Now taking the smudge brush with the same color, the blue one, depositing it to the lower lash line, smudging it. Now applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal to the lower lashes of the eye. So here is the final look. You can see. If you love our work, then support us. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Till then, practice every makeup.